into the ground a bit funny.
Only you could hurt yourself on grass.
Listen, do you remember that time that you ended up in A&E? When you were just walking on some pebbles?
Yeah. Did you just burp? I think you did. Well, welcome to another Sit with Steve and Louise.
Hello.
We're currently sitting in Armagh at the Demesne Palace Demesne Park, which is spelt entirely incorrectly because there's an S in it.
I think it might be French.
So, yeah, this is just us sitting for the next 10 minutes, saying whatever comes into our head, and this is published uncut, so please don't say anything rude or inappropriate, Louise.
You don't have to publish it uncut.
Yeah, but I kind of prefer
You could do a director's cut.
Yeah. Today
Maybe if you were to have your Peloton people, they could get the...
Peloton?
The root bits.
Peloton?
I don't know what you call it.
Patreon?
I mean, what kind of a word is Patreon? It's patron.
No, it's not Peloton.
Well, that's something to do with bikes, I think.
That's pentathlon.
No, there's...
That's pentathlon.
No, but there's like an app or something where you can ride a bike and it's like an exercise bike. I've seen an advert for it.
An exercise bike?
Mm-hmm. Peloton, I think that's what it's called.
I have no idea what you're talking about. Where have we been today? Oh yeah, we were at a wedding last night in
Clocker. Cork House.
Clocker, 5 Mile Town.
Very
Cork
nice.
House. So we stayed in Ballygolly.
Mm-hmm.
And then today we went to
the Ulster American Folk Park.
Yes. Where we saw a small boy get stung by a wasp. And I bought some licorice torpedoes.
Jelly mixtures. Oh, 2 stuck together.
Which have spilled down the inside of the bag. That's huge. It looks like a suppository. you eat them.
How many suppositories have you had up your bum?
None. It's a nice view here.
It's really nice. I love a good park.
See, I know about this park because I was here 2 years ago shooting drone footage for the adverts I was doing for Firmus Energy.
Mm-hmm. Love natural gas.
Exactly. Love natural gas.
Mm-hmm.
Of the home heating variety.
Stephen gives me a lot of natural gas, but it's not always so welcome.
You have to cut that out.
No, you won't. I don't see why. Oh, something happened over there.
Nothing's happened. Nothing. Everything's... But I shouldn't have eaten a sweet. It's massive. Here, look, there's a bug. See the bug crawling along the front of the camera?
It's like a green fly.
Ah! That was a wasp.
It's trying to get into my jelly mixtures.
Where is it? Where is it?
It's right here somewhere.
Hang on, have I got anything I can hit it with?
I don't know if I can. It might have gone away. I don't know.
Where'd that one? I've got... Hold on. Right. I've got a selfie stick now.
I can't believe this quarter of jelly mixtures was such good. I mean, £2 and I've got so many jelly mixtures. It's great. I should get quarters of stuff more often.
I mean, to be honest, £2 for a quarter of sweets is quite expensive.
No, but normally...
I remember quarter of sweets cost you like, I don't know, like 40 pence.
But
back
whenever
in the
I buy
90s.
little bags of jelly mixtures from Tesco and whatever, there's it's 2 mouthfuls and you're done. So I've never had this many in one go. Probably have a big old sugar
green
crash.
fly in my bag now. There's a sign back there, like literally just there, that says, "Don't sit under the tree." That says, "Don't sit under our precious old tree because branches can fall off."
He specifically brought me to the one tree where there's a sign saying, "Don't be sitting here."
There's more than one. Well, I can see signs elsewhere, and I just assuming they say "deadly tree, don't sit here." So
Where are these signs?
no, you see, they're like little gravestones at the trees.
I'm gonna go over and see what that one says.
And she's just left. Now I'm sitting here by myself, talking to myself. Nice day, Stephen. Well, actually, it's not that nice a day. It's quite variable. Yeah, you're right. You're right indeed. Although I'm quite proud of you that you're able to sit on grass, you know, without, you know, 2 layers of a waterproof layer and an insulation layer. Good for you. Well done, Stephen. Well done. Oh, I think the GoPro lens is starting to fog up again. I can see fog on it. Yeah, I wonder if I could... Nah, I'll just leave it. Oh, that was well timed. There's a gust of wind trying to knock over the camera. This is really annoying me, this fog in the lens. I have figured out though, if you twist it off and let the wind blow over it, it'll clear it and then put it back on. But it means a lot of my stuff's coming out with this really annoying fog on it. I'm like, well, what does it say?
It's the same sign.
Right. So that's a precious old tree. That tree will kill you. That tree will kill you. This tree will kill you. The wind is trying to blow over the camera. I've got
My eyes are watering.
What?
Makeup's getting wrecked.
Oh, hold on. Your makeup's getting wrecked. Let's see.
Have you lost your sympathy again?
No, I can't find my sympathy anywhere.
8 years of this nonsense, people.
Yeah.
Okay.
I've got licorice torpedo stuck in my teeth. What else did I buy that's of interest today? I've got a bottle of water in here that I stole from the hotel. I didn't steal it. It was complimentary. It's complimentary. Nice bottle of Ballygowan. Crack this open. I have noticed actually, doing running events here, that when you turn up this shop to buy a bottle of water, the Ballygowan all goes first. The last water that anyone will buy is River Rock. Like still River Rock seems to be the last flavor of water, brand of water that anyone will buy.
To me, water should all taste the same. I don't really get different brands.
Oh no, water's like the only time water would ever taste the same is if.
Sorry.
She just burped.
Sorry, it's been a long weekend.
Water would only taste the same if it was all filtered, and there's like no minerals or flavonoids in it.
No Vassar McGath.
See, this is why I'm not a big fan. I prefer sparkling water to still water, and the reason is that sparkling water, the sparkles in it make it taste...
Sparkles? I think it's gas.
The sparkly fizz in it makes it taste refreshing, even when
Sparkly
it's
fizz
not cold. It is really windy here.
No mirror here, I can't tell.
Hopefully you can hear us. I'm using the little Rode Wireless Go. This is actually windier. I did one of these with Gary up a mountain and it was less windy than this.
Might be seeing Gary later also.
We might be. Gary's working in Newry. I just burped.
You told them that you're using your wallet to...
Yeah, I did. What, using the wallet to prop up the camera.
So, a thief could run past at any moment.
We can see them coming. Hey. Long distance muggers sprinting there.
Sorry. I mean, sneeze.
Oh, he's choking to death.
Sorry, sneeze.
Louise has been coughing for the past 3 months continuously. It's
It's not continuously.
it's really starting to grate on me.
No.
I don't really like dolly mixtures. I don't get them. It's like a collection of, it's like a variety of rubbish sweets.
No, they're the same sweet apart from the jelly.
They're not the same. There's an orange
they're
one.
Different shapes, but essentially
One,
the flavour is no different.
2,
It's just squidginess.
3,
It's like fondant squidginess.
4.
They all taste the same apart from the jelly one.
There's like 5 different sweets.
Although what I like best, and you don't get very many of them,
No.
I like these cubes.
Oh, here.
They're fun.
That's pretty much 10 minutes. So I hope this has been
Oh.
as enjoyable for you as something enjoyable would be. So, yeah. If you liked sitting here with us, you can subscribe and get the next ones. Other than that...
And if you liked me, please comment. And
Well, that seems a suitable place to end.
oh!
Hello. Oh.